Hi and welcome to English Listening World Intensive Listening Practice. I'm Les Paris. Today we're going to take a look at sentence number 11 from the Sarah's Morning Story. The sentence goes like this. She reads an article about art. She reads an article about art. She reads an article about art. Now, we're going to use the rhythm to find the strong beats here. She reads an article about art. She reads an article about art. She reads an article about art. This one's a little bit tricky because there's a long section of weakly stressed, quite rapid words at the beginning. And the first strong stress is article. The second strong stress is art. She reads an article about art. Okay, let's move into reductions. Nope, I can't find any reductions in this sentence. How about liaison? Yes, there's lots of liaison. Okay, we have reads ending in z and an starting with a, readzan, readzan. Then we have an article, an article, an article. So they're getting joined together. She reads an article. That's three of them all together. The next one, we find another liaison with article and about. Article ends in o, and about starts with a, so we get a natural liaison. Article about, article about. And then we get one more, where we have about stopping with a stop T, but the next sound is art starting with a, and so the stop T turns into a soft T, kind of a D sound. About art, about art, about art. And then we can look at the consonant cluster. I can only find one consonant cluster in this sentence. Article, ko, 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 ko. Okay, let's put it all together for our shadowing practice. Remember, with shadowing practice, you want to say the words right on top of my speaking, so that you say it at the exact same time. I'll say it 3 times so you can practice with me. She reads an article about art. She reads an article about art. She reads an article about art. Okay, 3 times isn't nearly enough. You need to do much, much more. If you look in the description below, you'll find a link to the English Listening World site page where you can practice shadowing 20 times easily. And it even has a counter for you and it counts down, so you know how many times you have to keep on going. But when you do shadowing intensively like this, I actually recommend you close your eyes. Go to that page and do the shadowing as soon as possible before you forget. Okay, good luck with your listening practice and thanks for listening.